Watch how this guy was able to make a $2,000 trade while on a yacht.
Is break down that glorious 20-minute trade whilst on a yacht that cashed me $2,000 with 5 percenters. So let's get straight into the trade. Okay, so I'm obviously on replay, but basically this was what happened whilst I was on the boat. What I did was I was on the 1 minute on Euro. So it's just a little bit of a hard position to execute on, but you've got to remember, I had to take a trade. Like, I had to capitalize on something. Otherwise, I was sleeping with goats for the night in a sleeping bag. So it was a big move, but we managed to literally cash. And as